Declaration. We hereby declare that project entitled Culture of Himachal Pradesh has been carried out by our own efforts and fact arrived at our reference and under the guidance and motivation of Sister Agnes. Name of participants: Gobikrishnan R, Gobikrishnan P, Jishnu Shibu, Joe Fernando, Joel Joseph of 10th A. Acknowledgement. We should like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our English teacher, Sister Agnes, for her able guidance and support in completing our project. We would also like to extend our gratitude to our principal sister, Prima Antony, for providing us with all necessary facilities.
Introduction. Himachal Pradesh, land of lush greenery and vibrant enthusiastic culture, the highest tourist spot of India, dazzling along the mighty Himalayas, the land of peaceful soul where beauty has no boundaries.
Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a hilly state in northern India. It is one of the most beautiful states of India and known more of as a tourist state, lies in the lap of the king of mountains, Himalaya. Nestling in the lap of nature, it is endowed with lush green forests, bustling streams, emerald meadows, enchanting lakes, and the eternal snows.
Location. The state is bounded by Jammu and Kashmir on the south, Punjab on the west and southwest, Himalaya and Uttar Pradesh on the south, Uttarakhand on the southeast, and by Tibet Autonomous Region on the east.
Topography. It's most of the snow-draped peaks, hilltops, bank of lakes, and rivers or natural caves have been considered as sacred as the abode of God. It is also popularly known as Devbhoomi or Land of God. Shimla, capital of Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital and the largest city of Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. In 1864, Shimla was declared as the summer capital of British India. It is the third smoke-free city of India. Shimla has served as capital of India during British Raj, the capital of Punjab, and then the capital of Himachal.
History of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has been inhabited by human beings since the dawn of civilization. It has a rich and varied history which can be divided into several distinct areas. Himachal Pradesh region was called Devbhoomi. In the early period, tribes like the Kolis, Halis, Dagis, Dayugiris, Dasa, Kasas, Kinnars and Kiras inhabited it. In the early 19th century, the British exerted their influence and annexed the areas of Shimla after the Gurkha War of 1815-16. The British gradually emerged as the paramount power in the region. During the first Indian War of Independence, rulers of hilly states remained inactive. The rulers of Chamba, Bilaspur, Bengal and Dhani rendered help to the British government during the revolt. During World War I, virtually all rulers of the hill states remained loyal and contributed to the British war effort both in the form of men and materials. The Aryan influence in this area of India dates to the period before the Rigveda. Shankarvarna, the king of Kashmir, exerted his influence over regions of Himachal Pradesh in about 1883 AD. The region witnessed the invasion of Muhammad of Ghazni in 1009 AD, who during that period invaded and looted the wealth from the temples in the north of India. In about 1043 AD, the Rajputs ruled over the territory. Known for its vibrant and exclusive natural scenery, received the royal patronage of the Mughal rulers, who erected several works of an art as an appreciation of this land. In 1773 AD, the Rajputs under Sansar Chand possessed this region till the attack by Maharaja Ranjit Singh in 1804, which crushed the Rajput power here. The Gurkhas, who migrated from Nepal, captured this area and devastated it. The Chief Commissioner of Himachal Pradesh came into being on 15th April 1948. The Pradesh became a Part C state on 26 January 1950. With the implementation of the Constitution of India, Bilaspur was merged with Himachal Pradesh on 1st July 1954. Himachal Pradesh had become Union Territory on 1st November 1956. Kanhara and most of the hill areas of Punjab were merged with Himachal Pradesh on 1st November 1966 through its status remained that of a union territory. On 18th December 1970, the State of Himachal Pradesh Act was passed by Parliament and the new state came into being on 25th January 1971. Thus, Himachal Pradesh emerged as the 18th state of the Indian Union. It became a centrally administered territory in 1948. The integration of 31 hill states and received additional regions added to it in 1966. Culture of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a multi-religious, multicultural as well as multi-illegal state like other Indian states.
In the south of Greater Himalayas, the presence of Hinduism is strong.
In the Middle Hills, rustic customs appear in worship or many local gods and goddesses. In Trans-Himalaya, Buddhism has progressed successfully for more than 1,000 years. The presence of Christianity comes with the coming of the British and there are more than a dozen churches in this area of this state.
Similarly, there are many places in the entire state which are sacred by Sikh.
Islam records its presence in Nahan and some of the major cities around.
Language. The official language of the state is Pahari and Hindi. Some of the most commonly spoken individual languages are Kangri, Mandiali, Kulvi, Chambiali, Barmauri and Kinauri. Dishes. There are not many specific varieties that one can get in Himachal Pradesh. A long-time relationship with Punjab and large-scale migration of Tibetans ensured the impact of Tibetan and Punjabi cuisine on Himachal. Some of the unique Himachali cuisine including Nasta, a sweet meat in Kangra region, Indra made of urad dal, Bhada Shaunda and Bhada Puldu in Shimla region. Apart from favorite all over the state like Patir Jack, Bajagari and chutney of till, sesame seeds.
Vegetarian dishes. Popular vegetarian dishes include Gucci Matar, Seppu Vadi, Kaduka Katta, while popular non-vegetarian dishes are Kullu Throat, grilled fishes, chicken anardana. The popular sweets are Mita and Nasta, which are made from sweet rice and sweet meat. Popular drinks of Himachal Pradesh are tea that is made in varieties of buttermilk. Himachal Pradesh is the second largest producer of apple after Jammu and Kashmir. Art and craft. Himachal is well known for its handicrafts. The most popular craft work of the people of Himachal Pradesh are wood carving and painting. Pashmina shawl is one of the products which is highly in demand not only in Himachal but all over the country. Traditional Chamba chappals are the popular things made out in leather and the embroidery work will be using colors like red, black, green, yellow, blue and imitation sari, the gold thread. Dressing. The people of Himachal Pradesh mostly wear woolens as it is best suited to the climate. Scarves and shawl are the ubiquitous with the women, while men can be found in various types of kurtas and the typical Himachal cap. The Himachali cap is a must tradition wear. It is a brand known by many. The shawls of Himachal are very famous. They are available in lamps made of wool, angora, pashmina. Among the jewelry, they wear a elliptical anklets, solid iron-headed bangles, hair ornaments, peep leaf shaped forehead ornaments, necklace are known as chandan hairs. Transport. Roads are the only lifeline in the state for connectivity as railway and inland. Water transport have negligible extents in the state.
Tourism. Himachal Pradesh is the land of lush green field and vibrant entrepreneurial culture. It is famous for its Himalayan landscape and popular hill stations. These hill stations decorate Himachal Pradesh and make it most popular tourist spot in India.